we will be learning how energy moves in and out of the parts of systems. In order to continue figuring out what happened to Ergstown electrical system, we need to think about what energy is and how it is transferred from one thing to the next. What comes to your mind when you think of the word energy? Pause the video and share out in the chat box or share out to the teacher if you're in school. Energy means the ability to move or change. Energy is all around us. A kid running around the playground is energy because the kid is moving. A light turning on is evidence of energy because the light is changing. Look around the room. Where do you see energy? Share in the chat box. Energy is transferred from one thing to the next. In the energy system you explored last week, energy was transferred from the sun to the solar panel, to the wires, to the motor, and then the fan. Today you will explore and make different systems and see how energy is transferred. You're going to be doing this through an energy transfer simulation or game, where you get to explore energy systems and how the energy is transferred. It's going to be an exploration today, and next week we'll get a little bit more in detail about energy and electrical energy. But today we're just going to look at energy and as a whole, and you get to play around and see what worked and what didn't work. Let's watch this quick video to show you what you're doing today.
In the energy conversion simulation, you will be able to build, run, and analyze different energy systems. In build mode, you can create your own energy system. You can choose where the energy in a system comes from by using the arrows on the Select Energy Source square. You can add parts to the system by dragging them up from the bottom. Use the arrows to view all the devices you can add. You can choose how much energy to transfer into the system with the slider next to the energy source. Click Run to see it in action. If you choose to use the hand crank as your energy source, you can transfer energy into the system by dragging the crank in a circle. For some devices, you'll need to press the blue transfer button to make the system work. Try lots of different energy sources and devices to see what works. In the energy
So, boys and girls, you're going to be seeing what works. What worked for you when you explore the different systems, okay? Keep track of what was working. So, to get on today, you're going to need to put this username and password, okay? Everyone's going to use the same one. You go to, the username is RJPRT, and the password is ZANY-NEWT2. The teacher will put it inside the chat box for you, and you could just copy and paste it the way we've been learning how to copy and paste. And the teacher will also put in the login info, okay? Today, the lesson's really short because I know we're going to spend more time logging in. And then once you're in, then you'll have time to go to the actual simulation, okay? When you are done exploring, you will answer the questions on Otis. Okay, boys and girls, that's it for today. Remember, when you're doing the simulation, when you're playing the game, think about the different systems that you're making. Think about what you use. Did you use the sun? Did you use the crank? Did you use like just explore, and what made it work. Sometimes you're going to put things that aren't going to work together, but what made the energy work, what made the light turn on, or what made the music turn on, or what made the different things in the bottom, you explore. It's very just for you to get to explore different ways. Okay, good luck.